In this short video, I'm just going to show you how you can go ahead and use the inverse trig functions to find angle measures. So for example, if I wanted to find the angle if sine of A was 5/7. If I wanted to find the sine of A as 5/7, in order for me to type this into my calculator to find angle A, I would have to do the sine inverse of 5/7. So let's go ahead and see how we can do this. I'm going to do the sine inverse. Oops, let me clear that. So the sine inverse right here, and it'll say a sine. Okay, but we did do the sine inverse, and we're going to do a 5 divided by 7 equals. And it tells me that angle A is 45.584 degrees. Okay, now I'm going to do the cosine inverse. Oops, let me clear it. So the cosine inverse, so you'll see a cosine when you type that in, but that means the cosine inverse. The reason why it says a cosine is because the cosine inverse is also known as the arc cosine. So the cosine inverse of, let's say, let's go to square root of 3. So I'm going to type in square root of 3. And if you look up here at the top, it shows me exactly what I typed in, the square root of 3. And I'm going to hit enter. And I get 65.67 degrees. So we can do square roots in it as well. Let's do the tangent inverse. Oops, let me clear it. So the tangent inverse, I'm going to do of 1. Let's see what the tangent inverse of 1 is. Well, it's 45 degrees. Okay, and it has 0.000000 and then it has a 1 because there is some error in your calculator, but we're going to go ahead and say that that's 45 degrees. So there you go. That's how you use the inverse trig functions on this graphing calculator, or not graphing calculator, but scientific calculator.